We're arrived at the Smith, all loaded up in the canoes. We've been waiting an hour and a half for the rest of the party, and it's beautiful right now, but that is not supposed to stay, so we should see.
Down the Smith River in this rental canoe. Me and my uncle.
Gonna send a few
We're gonna
rapids.
dump it too. And we hightailed it down to where does the river end?
Mexico.
Mexico.
Well,
7 miles in. It's pretty buck wild out here. Ben almost died twice.
wow, look at the clouds. Whoa, look at those birds.
What do those things do?
Long story short, we washed up on a golf course. Was able to play 5 holes. Now we got a thunderstorm coming in.
Well,
We gotta get to camp.
we're night 2 on the Smith, and the weather has taken a turn. We've got a good amount of shanty building here, and we're doing all right. It was a long, wet night. Ben fell asleep in the pouring rain in a camp chair, but we had the opportunity to dry our stuff out with some morning sun right back on the river.
Yeah.
Took the narrow route. After a long 15 miles of floating, the gang hit the hill for a hike. Day 4 on the river. Woo! Pretty fucking cold. On our way out. There's the rest of the squad.
Wet and wild.
Wet and wild night. Made it to Dawn's.
We're here.
We're here. Look at that beautiful sign.